Like and subscribe and join the Discord. It's in the description. It's free.
Today we're gonna be playing Red Red Eyes. Let's go pick your hat. Actually, first, not first. Hey guys, we got a flashlight. Flashlight. Yeah. Where should we go? Frick! You guys, if I pass level 1, you guys keep coming. Frick. 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 What's this? Oh, frick. Hell no. I just almost died by that. Okay. I want to get that last because how hard it is. Oh, frick. Bro, Brandon, do you want to check a new update with me? We should make a video. See? Rick! Okay, you know what? Let me just do an easy way. Let's just do it in an easy way. Oh, frick, frick. Okay, let me do it again. Let me do it again. Let him cook. Okay. Oh, frick, frick, frick. I just almost fell down to the water.
I need your carrot.